Hey, you guys, it's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell, subscribe so you can get notified when I post a video. Also, like, share, and comment if I didn't already say that. And let's just get into this video. Okay, so you guys, if you don't already know, I do videos on the law of attraction where we talk about creating your future and manifesting your reality. Witchy Wednesdays where we talk about magic spells and divination, and Self-Love Saturday, which is today, where we talk about self-confidence, love, and being kind to others. So before we get into it, you guys, if you don't already know, check the description box below for any information such as to book a one-on-one coaching session with me, which you can definitely book, and I will be so happy to book a coaching session with anybody that would love to book with me. I have been booked the fuck yes. Also, if you would like to book a tarot session with me, you can do that too. Buy any crystal jewelry, it's all down in the description box below to my website. And also, if you would like to do my 30-day challenge, click the link in my website where you can see that when you book a session with me. It's down all the way below, so you can see that. So on this Self-Love Saturday video, you guys, I'm going to be talking about, this is a different thing, I guess. Not really, but I used to do videos on crystals. But in this one, we're going to be talking about my self-love crystals. I'm going to be promoting some self-love crystals. And I also sell crystal jewelry, you guys. I'm sorry, we can't see it. I painted my nails, by the way. So if you can tell, I have my hands like all open. So I was painting my nails, but I'm still going to show you the crystals. So these crystals are used for self-love, self-confidence, love in general, bringing love into your life. It doesn't matter what type of love it is. It's just love. And they will help you in your relationships, create better, healthy relationships, bring genuine people. And I already feel like you guys know what's the first stone that I'm going to say. But if you don't know, it's going to be the first stone. Rose quartz. Rosy quartz. Rosy quartz. Oh my god, I got nail polish on my hands. You guys, this is ghetto. But rose quartz. This is the powerful, like, well-known stone of love. Rose quartz is just the like first class kind of love stone, I guess, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't know. But this stone has helped so much. When I tell you guys, I have so many rose quartz stones. It's ridiculous. Like, all around. And I sell crystal jewelry, so yeah, you guys, if you really want to buy any crystal jewelry, check that out. But rose quartz. And also what I do is I put some oil on it. I sell oils, by the way, if you guys didn't know. Put some love oil or lust oil. But rose quartz is a stone, a powerful stone of love, self-compassion. It can help bring compassionate people around you. It can help you feel more compassionate about yourself. This stone really is really big on any kind of love. So if you have a problem dealing with being more confident or just giving love in general and receiving it, this is a stone for you. Boo, please get this stone because it's the stone for you. It's the stone for you. And I really appreciate having a lot of rose quartz. Like, it helps me in my relationships and everything. Like, rose quartz, down pat. The next one is spirit quartz. This is a different kind of stone. You guys, this is something. Oh my fucking. Hold on a second. I got you. Boom. Spirit quartz. Look at my hands. My hands are so cute. But this crystal, oh my god. So if you know anything about fairies, you guys, this crystal right here is really big on high vibration. Whenever I have this crystal around me, it just makes me feel really like soft, calm. I know it's soft, right? But it makes you feel really soothing. Like, it gives you a really soothing vibe. Spirit quartz is like fairies. And if you know anything about fairies, they definitely work with and promote healthy relationships. They promote bringing joy into your life, genuine friends, just high vibrational things in general. So spirit quartz is just, you know, it's just a quartz that is like, I think it's clear quartz, but just the way that they form it, I don't really fucking know, but I have to look more into it. But I definitely know for me personally, spirit quartz helps with the fairy energy, and fairies are big on, you know, magic and living in like a positive realm. So they definitely help keep your mind clear and positive and alleviate your thoughts. And also they help keep you have high vibration. Moony stone. I know my crystals is kind of janky or whatever, but I had these bitches for a while. Moonstone. So this is a stone of like intuition. Intuition can also help you decipher on who to be vulnerable to, and who to not who to get love to, but you know who to open up yourself to, and it allows people to be more open to you. It also helps with your divine feminine energy, which is connected to creativity and love and compassion. So if you have a problem with being in your divine feminine energy, this can definitely help balance out that and get you more in tune with your soft feminine nature. And you know, femininity deals with the artistic side of you, the more I keep saying compassionate, but yeah, it's just compassion and kind. Um, the nice, open, gentle nature. So if you have a problem with being gentle to yourself or gentle to others, so yeah, if you want to be less aggressive, that stone is good for you. Diopside. Diopside. Diopside is a different kind of stone. To me personally, this bitch be having me all in my emotions. This stone, if you are not in tune with your emotions, diopside is like a very powerful stone to get you hit to your own emotions. It's green, so it's heart chakra. Majority of the green stones, such as what I have on, and I'm gonna tell you the next stone, what I got on. It helps with your heart chakra energy. So heart chakra energy is definitely connected to love, like I've been saying. Oh baby, we're gonna have to do these nails over again. Only because I didn't let them dry, and I was holding these crystals and shit, you guys. But we're gonna do these bitches outside. So diopside, really big on helping with your emotions. You know, it can help balance out your emotions. It can help you get in tune with your emotions. If you have, for me personally, I'm just telling you what these crystals help with me personally. I don't necessarily look up the meaning of the crystals, not all of the time. You know, if I feel drawn to it and it helps me with a certain area, I definitely can tell you like what it's been helping me with. I do know that these are love stones though. This can help you with your love emotions. With your emotions, yeah, definitely. So get this if you have a problem getting more in tune with your emotions. The next one, you guys, is green aventurine, which I have on my neck, which I do sell. Green aventurine, you would have never thought. Green crystal. So, like I was talking about, green is the heart chakra. So, with these green stones, you know, this also helps with fertility, birthing, um, just as well as moonstone and diopside. Oh my gosh, you guys, these stones help with fertility and birthing. So if you are going into labor or something like that, carry these stones around. I do know that they are good for that. But with green aventurine, this stone is big on the heart chakra energy. Like it helps you believe in yourself. It helps you have more confidence, and it attracts luck, and it attracts wealth and cash flow and shit like that. So, girl, if you love money, this is what I do. I'm telling you, mira, this stone. What am I pointing to? These stones. Oh my God, let me tell you, like these stones, really big on like loving and bringing in money and stuff like that. So definitely will recommend green aventurine. Oh, the next one is kunzite. Fucking stone. This stone. Okay, you can see it. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, boom, pow. That stone, very high vibration. That's one of the highest vibrational stones next to rose quartz. This helps with your empathy. So, you know, with empathy, it definitely helps with your love and how you can become more open to others and receptive to others' energies. So, just like with the feminine energy that's more receptive, this kunzite stone, oh Lord, you're gonna have to research on that, boy. You're gonna have to research on that because that stone is like so big on love that I be feeling every emotion. You're going to filter through. You're going to filter through every emotion. Like that crystal definitely helps you not deny your emotions and what you're feeling. So if you have a problem with that, this crystal is big on helping you with your emotions and getting you in tune with that. We're gonna do two for the last two because I didn't want to make this video this fucking long. So the last two is pink opal, pink opal, pink opal. Pink opal and peridot. Peach opal, my dad. Peach opal and peridot. So peach opal and peridot. I know peridot is really big on joy. It's also a fairy stone. So it just helps with joy and bringing clarity in your life. And also it definitely helps with, it just helps you feel more positive. Like if you need a boost and uplifting of energy, it makes you feel more positive about life. Peach opal, I don't really use that stone too much, but I got it because I think it just helps with your aggression and it makes you less aggressive. Yeah, that's all I really know about peach opal. That's all I really know. So yeah, that's good enough. I think that's pretty good, to be honest with you. But yeah. But you guys, like I said, if you would like to buy any crystal jewelry from me, please go check out my website. I want to look, you guys. I'm selling out on these crystal jewelries, so I can restock on some new ones for you guys. So if you would like to purchase, they are not that high price, but they are really good crystals for you. Definitely go ahead and spend your coin on this and go share it with somebody else because they need some stones. And I will restock on some new ones for you guys because I've been wanting to put out some more, but I'm waiting until all of these ones are gone so I can, you know, get some new ones for you guys. But that's what I really want to do. And you guys, if you like this video, please make sure that you check the description box below for any information on how to book a session with me or any stuff like that. And if you would like to watch my other videos where we talk about the law of attraction and shit, go ahead and check those out. And if you would like to recommend a YouTube video to me, check out my Instagram and also leave it down in the comment section because I do read my comments. And I think you guys noticed that I do respond back. And so I will respond back to you guys. But I do love you and I will see you in the next video. Peace.